Hello guys, this is Vysh. I think you would have already seen this online petition thing which is going on. That you should postpone the 2020 prelims and then merge it with 2021. So it's like some aspirant started this online and then it is doing the rounds in WhatsApp and social media, and even some of my students forwarded me because they got it from somewhere. So I told them it's not required. It is just a waste of time. Okay, because I'll tell you how it is. So we'll see the petition first so that you, if people don't know about that, I'll show you. Like, there are websites like change.org and all where anybody can go and file a petition. Like, you want to do something today, like any environment issue, any social issue, political issue, you want to raise something to get visibility so that more people support you, you can do that. Like, there are valid ones and invalid ones. Like, you see, this is a UPSC prelims 2020 postponement one which started few days back, and around 6,000 people have signed. And here if you see, this is an environment one, like withdraw. So but one problem here happens is everyone starts their own campaign like this, and the number of signature also gets splitted up, and so nothing will ever reach to a maximum number that it gets a good visibility unless some news channels will take it up. So there is no point. That is one point, that this thing is like not like one single thing. Okay, like here 1,000 signs will be there, here 10,000 signs will be there, so nothing is going to get noticed by anyone. Okay, unless you see it in a news channel, like I told. But you will simply forward it in WhatsApp. You will get a false or fake satisfaction that because of your one blank faceless signature, something is going to change. Okay, it's just a false hope. Okay, and these websites are simply putting up this every year. It's not like they do. They just gave you a platform. Okay, it can be used for good things, but people do it for time pass now, for everything. Okay. So this one, if you see, it's a very lengthy one. I'm not going to read it. The pointers I'll tell you, like they are telling like vaccine is not yet there. Then even Karnataka tried doing some Karnataka state exam or something, and they failed miserably. They did not do it properly. Then like the officials are not not following the norms. So students are finding it difficult. People are staying away from your exam center, so you have to travel to another city. So these are all practical things, and this is like, it's not like that only if you tell with such a big essay that UPSC will understand that. Okay, UPSC knows all these things and they are much more ahead of you in everything. Okay, so I'll tell you those pointers, which I'm not, as I told, I'm not going to read this. If you want, you can go and Google it and read simply change.org UPSC postponement. This book, big essay you can read. Okay, for which I am again telling you nothing is going to change because of the signature. Okay. So if you see here, why such petitions are not needed, that is what I'm going to tell you, because I don't want my students at least to have this fake hopes or false satisfaction, okay, by doing this. This is the first thing you have to know. This is UPSC, not some other immature board, okay, because they take steps whenever it's needed. You would have never heard anything like exam paper leak or something about UPSC, but you will hear it about SSC, you will hear it about banking and other government exams, okay. So they know better than you. They have always done the things perfectly. Okay, the dates and all, like even when I think May 31, when the exam was supposed to happen, everybody were like hoping like let it get postponed, and then April month itself they told you that it will not happen on May 31, that is 30 days before. And even one more thing they told you, whenever the new date will come, it will be 30 days from there. So people will get at least 2 months time from there itself, okay, which was an extra extension which nobody expected. Then after that, when they came, I think on June 5, they came and they put out the next one. Okay, they put out the next date. Everybody, even every coaching institute, every experts who call themselves as expert on internet, they told like it will be in August mid or August end. Okay, but UPSC did it for October 4, which nobody expected, and that is the unpredictability in a good way which UPSC have done. They considered all factors and they did it. And meanwhile, what they did, they even conducted the 2019 pending interview. They did all the precautions, gave them special permissions, the students were taken care, the flight charges were taken care, they were given the sanitizer, mask, everything. Their stay was taken, everything was taken care, and their interview completed. Now the result published, you know who is the rank one, everything is out. So they have done it and they will do it. Okay, UPSC is, you should respect this board at least, that they will do accordingly. So if vaccine is not there, if you like your exam center is different, all these things are very common things which they know it. So if something is there to be changed, they will change it. They will change it when? They will change it at least before September first week. They will tell you, same like they did it in April, they will tell it in September first week. But if you do these kind of signature dramas and all these things on the internet, that means first thing, you are not even serious about this exam. Okay, because UPSC is an exam which people think if I get more time I will score more. It's not like that. People, like if UPSC gives you like take 3 years for preparation and then come back, still you will not study, or whatever you study will not be helpful for your exam, because this exam is a totally different ball game. It's not like other exams. Okay, everything which I tell, I think the serious aspirants will understand. No others will understand. Okay, the people who are simply applying this, they will not understand. They will be like hating whatever I told till now. Okay, So serious aspirant will never want such a change. Okay, they have prepared, they have given their entire 12 months, 15 months in the last 1 year, 1.5 years, and they will not want it again to be postponed. They're actually fed up. They want to give the prelims. Okay, I know students who actually are literally waiting for the exam to happen. Okay, and the situation, as I told, if situation is bad, nobody will force you to go to the exam hall and do it. If the situation is bad, it will change. Okay, the exam date will change. So you don't have to tell those things to the government. They will do it themselves. And the person with last attempt, again, like 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, they have been attempting, or last year maybe they reached the interview phase and then they were like dejected, and they just want to give the next attempt faster. Okay, they have given all the efforts, they know that they will clear it. Okay, there are veteran students like that, so they will also want such change. And if merged together, which people are recommending as per that petition, like 2020-21 together, increase the number of vacancy and all, it is going to be a very difficult exam. It is going to be even more difficult to conduct the exam. Okay, everything is going to become more difficult if you do such a drastic step of merging things. Okay, but as I told, if situation is very bad, if no other way, UPSC will do that also. But please don't think that just because you give a suggestion, government has to follow it or do something. Okay, this is like, in polity you learn a concept called pressure groups, and you put pressure on the government through these kind of petitions or debates or talks and all. This can be done. I'm not telling it's like you have the freedom to do it, but you should also realize that this will only give you this fake satisfaction or false hope. Like, you will keep thinking, you will discuss with other friends and tell like, anyway exam is getting postponed, no need to study. You are destroying your own study time. Don't do that. And again, I'm telling, if you still feel okay, what is there's nothing going to lose, I want to go and sign. But I am telling you, how much ever you do, maximum that petition will get 50,000 signs or 60,000 signatures. That is what will happen. And then after that, nobody is going to care about it. Okay, because some other person will start another petition, similar one. There another 50,000 signature will go. It is never going to reach like 4 lakh or 5 lakh or 10 lakh, and nothing is going to happen also. So does this work? Okay, you can Google that also. If you go and Google that, do change.org work. There is a Quora page where people have told no. Everyone will be telling no only. Only thing is that some visibility will be there. Okay, like I told, the environment impact assessment, and now in almost everybody's WhatsApp status, you can see people are putting like withdraw. You can do that. You will get a satisfaction that I did something, I contributed something, but it is not going to change. If it is drastic, the TV channels have to take it up, and then government also has to think, okay, there is some angle to it, and they will change the draft. Anyway, it's a draft bill, so people's opinions are considered and they will do it. But UPSC exam is not like a draft bill or something. It is a date which they have decided, seeing the situations. Okay, so please don't do that. So this is what I told, do such petitions work. Unless it's some animal rights or human rights or something very drastic, very sensitive issues, it is not going to get the 10 lakh or 20 lakh signatures, and then somebody will take it up. Okay, so your UPSC things which you do, it is not going to happen. It's not going to make any impact. So this is the important thing in this thing I wanted to convey, because I'm getting WhatsApp messages, so I thought I'll convey this. Another thing is that the things which are coming out now, okay, 2019 cutoff marks was out, I already showed you. Now today the 2019 answer key has come. So answer key, it will be simply like that 1A, 2B, 3C, that kind of thing. So you can go and check it in the UPSC website itself. I'll show you. So here if you see, this is that UPSC petition, this is that environment impact, many petitions are there. Wherever you sign, it doesn't make any change. And this is the UPSC website. So examination, if you go, see here, cutoff marks we already showed you, and this marks is yet to come. Okay, like your marks which you, like even if you failed, you can see your marks, but that is not yet out. If you click on this, it will, I think, see nothing is there. So it will come. And then about this answer key which came. See, there's a new row which came, Civil Service Exam 2019. So even Forest Service, both of them gave the same prelims only. So CSAT and this thing, you can go. Okay, like obviously I hope you will have the this thing with you. So see, this is A, B, different set. Okay, so different set, the questions will be jumbled. So you have to go and correctly check which set you have. Like for example, I think here I have set A. Okay, there's a set A UPSC prelims paper. So where is the English part? Okay, yeah, see. So here if you see this Mughal, Zamindar, I'm not going to discuss questions here. I'll have to make another video, because already I have done the analysis last year with showing how many questions came from this thing. So if you compare this PDF with this answer key, so this is series A, this is like 1D, 2B. So you can go here, where is that? You can go here and see like 1D. Okay, this is like both are incorrect. I think here Zamindars and Jagidars, they had interchanged. So both the statements were false. Okay, I think we have already discussed this, but like this you can go and check. Okay, like land reforms. Okay, see, providing agricultural land to the landless. I think it was B only. See here, 2B, 3C. Okay, so like this you can go and check everything. See, Global Competitiveness Report, World Economic Forum. Okay, 3C, like that. Actually, there was one controversial question. I think it was question number 85 in this set, that liberty. What is the definition of liberty? Which like people were having the doubt. There was a positive definition and a negative definition. So every coaching institutes were telling different answers. So if you go and check here now, question number 85. In the context of polity, which one of the following would you accept as the most appropriate definition of liberty? Okay, so here the problem was between option B and option D, because absence of restraint is mentioned in even NCERT textbook, I think. So it is a negative definition of liberty, but the positive definition according to UPSC is this one: opportunity to develop oneself fully. Okay, because if you go to the answer key here, if you see 85, see here 85D. Okay, 85D they have given. So once UPSC tells something, then that is final. Okay, so opportunity to develop oneself fully is the correct answer for this question. Okay, so like this I cannot show you more now. It will take a lot of time. I'll try to do a video if you want, like showing the answer key, but it's a self doable thing. Okay, it's not something like rocket science. You can go and download this PDF, and obviously the other PDF you will have, and compare it if any questions you have any doubt. Okay. See, number of items dropped, nil. Okay, usually sometimes when controversial questions come, they will like drop something, or they'll give two options like B or D and all. But here, if you see all 100 questions, they have given a fixed answer. So according to them, there is no controversy, and they have decided one fixed answer for everything. So because it was there, okay, last 2 years back, I think two options were there given for some question and all. So here nothing is there. So A, B, C, D, all the sets you can see. And regarding other things, 2019 marks, it will come. 2020 students, what to do? You 50-day timetable is given to you. Go and watch that video. 2021 students, start studying for 1 year preparation. 325 days timetable is given to you. And others, come and WhatsApp me. I'll tell you like beginners video, what all videos to watch. Okay, so this is about the starting phase of this. Free video lectures are there. You can go and watch whichever chapters or these things you want. And about test series, 2020-21 prelims is the only test series which is open now. 2020 all batches are closed, but the students have been requesting me for a revision packages kind of thing. So I am planning on that 2020 revision packs, like subject wise test series. Okay, which is already who are enrolled, you don't need to buy. Okay, because it will be subset of that only. So I'll pick up some tests like that and make a revision pack hopefully within next 2 days. So that is going to come. Okay, so any more doubts you can let me know. This is just a quick things which I wanted to tell you about all these things. So enjoy your learning. Thank you and have a nice day.